know if any of you remember back in the early 80s after the Lamplighter closed, I played piano down at the Silver Spur in the restaurant. And a real nice place, served really fine food, and there was a group of ladies, and at the time I was pretty young, so they seemed a little bit older than me. They were there all the time. They were kind of high-toned ladies, and they came out to eat, and they always had a few drinks, and they were partier people, you know, always dressed nice, real nice, classy people. And one of them worked out at the college. Her name was Jo Weinmeister.
A lot of the kids will remember.
You remember that?
Jo Weinmeister.
And she was a partier. And there was three of them there, I believe, that night. And they asked me to play this song, and so, you know, I'm just a piano player, so I just started playing, and they started singing along, and they got up, and they went around the room, and they got everybody to get up from their table, and they marched around the club, and they even opened the door and went outside in the parking lot, and came back in. I thought, you know, this is great, you know, I mean, that's what a musician wants, get people involved, right? Well, the next morning I got a call from Mr. You know, the boss, and he said, I need to talk to you. So I went into his office. He said, listen, I heard what you did last night. I said, what did I do? He said, well, you got all those people all riled up and got them marching outside and everything. I said, I was just playing requests, you know, whatever the customer asked for. And so I came close to getting fired because of that song. But,
There we go.
so I'd like to thank you guys for not making any trouble.
Play it again.